After 2 years of daily use for espresso machine, the Saeco Aroma is still perfect and works like brand new. This is truly a fantastic machine, solid and well-built steel body, reliable boiler, that's fast and efficient, consistent steam, and powerful pump that hasn't lost any power after more than 2 years. I tried Gaggia home machines, and nothing has ever come close to the quality and reliability of this one. Still makes perfect and delicious crema each morning. You won't find a better machine than this one.